Welcome to this exquisite luxury home that is located in the beautiful gated community of High Forest Ranch. This home combines luxury, livability, and lifestyle on 2.5 treat acres overlooking a beautiful pond. There's mountain views, there's nature. It is an extremely perfect mountain retreat. I can't wait to show you more. Welcome to 4602 High Forest Road. This beautiful home offers over 10,000 square feet of living space. There's 5 bedrooms, each with a private bathroom and walk-in closet. There are 7 bathrooms and 3 offices, 1 located on each floor. Additionally, there's an amazing area with a saltwater pool and spa and even a movie theater. The freshly painted Italian plaster walls are nice and neutral, which helps to articulate the artistic blend of wood, metal, and stone throughout the home. Additionally, the gorgeous wall-to-ceiling windows showcase the beautiful mountains, pond, and outdoor elements perfectly. The Gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, and it's also perfect for entertaining. Imagine using these top-of-the-line Miele appliances, a culinary-grade capital gas range with 7 burners. There's 3 sinks, including 1 being a pot filler right next to the stove. You'll also enjoy 2 dishwashers, a beverage fridge, and there's countertop seating that opens directly to the dining room, the hearth room, and then also to the great room. And of course, the views from here are spectacular. Right off the kitchen is this cozy hearth room, which then leads directly into one of my favorite rooms, which is the sunroom. It can be utilized in so many ways: a reading area, a dining room, and it also is one of the 4 openings that goes directly to the large outdoor patio. The primary retreat will be your oasis to get away and recharge. It has a private fireplace, access directly to the deck, beautiful views overlooking the pond and trees. There's even access up to a loft with amazing views. And wait until you see this amazing spa retreat. Come on. Imagine escaping into your private spa every day to recharge. This primary bathroom features double vanities that are separate, a beautiful soaking tub that's located with windows around so you can enjoy the outdoor elements. And wait until you see this custom steam shower with multiple jets is the perfect way to end the day. This home offers 3 offices, 1 on each floor. The one on the main floor is right off of the kitchen. And some of the great features about this are a beautiful herringbone floor, a tray ceiling with a chandelier, built-in bookshelves, and look at this gorgeous view out the window. The upper level of the home is gorgeous. After coming up that spiral stone staircase, you have a bird's eye view. You see outdoors, the great room, and you also have 3 additional bedrooms. Each have a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. There's also an office and a laundry room, and the loft from the primary bedroom has access here as well. This upper level is gorgeous. The beautiful spiral staircase brings us down to the lower level, and this is perfect for entertaining. There's a large rec area, there's a room for games, a movie theater, and look at this bar area. There's a wine room, built-in shelves, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite features right behind this shelf. Here's a safe room that has so many options for use. Off the rec room is a versatile room that's perfect for a workout, craft, or art room. You'll also find a 5th bedroom that has a large bathroom, and it even has a spa shower. This is where you'll find the final office, and this one has direct access to outdoors, so if you have client meetings and home office, this is perfect. Right off the rec area, you'll find this enclosed saltwater pool and spa. This area is amazing. There's also 2 showers and laundry, and all of these sliders open so that you can go directly outside. With its seamless integration of luxury, technology, and style, this custom home represents the pinnacle of Colorado living. You can enjoy your dream of a peaceful mountain lifestyle with easy access to Monument, Colorado Springs, and the thriving Northgate community, along with the club at Flying Horse. High Forest Ranch offers 33 acres of green space, 8 miles of hiking trails, community clubhouse, and 2 fishing ponds.